This footage seems like when X-ray was discovered in 1895 by Wilhelm Röntgen. Well, we know there are tons of development after that, but the thing is, it's 2024 and we're still using this so kind of aided tool, one step tool, or even a literal stair to become the aided tool. Isn't that weird since we are considering about patient safety along with the examination procedure? While it's hard for them to keep their balance with the procedure begin. And what if we just innovate something new? Welcome to our playground. It's our X-ray radiography examination room. As you see, it's the X-ray tube which quite hard to move because it's kinda heavy. 50 kilos, I guess. And what you see right now, it's not a slow motion video, but it's a real footage on how we try to move the X-ray tube. And the most important thing is, most of the hospitals are using this kind of X-ray environment, including the bucket stand. Sure, both of them are aligned, just like what you see on your screen, right in the middle of the bucket stand. And here's our innovation, a pad, and it's easy to use. First of all, we need to make sure that it's aligned with the bucket stand, then lock all the four wheels with your feet or your hand, depends on your preference. Main point here, you need to make sure it is all locked because it needs to remain stable. And after that, we can turn the switch on button, both for A-pad and remote control, which automatically conduct quality control before the examination. And that's the distance detection ultrasonic sensor. Well, it's done. Let's have the QC for our remote control. There are 4 buttons. The first one is for the lifting system, but it's still manually. Second button is for the back down. And the third button for the starting point of examination depends on the patient weight. We can use condition 1, 2, and 3. And the fourth button is safety lock, but also reset button when you press it in 5 seconds. Well, when the examination is finished, we can use back down or reset button, which automatically turn off this limit switch and back to our normal state, which reset the system. No need to press it for a while, just need 5 seconds on that. After the QC finish, we can instruct our patient get on our tool easily and hold on with our adjustable holder. It will begin lift up automatically with limit switch for 7 seconds as the delay time. Then we can use all of our positioning. But beforehand, we can see how smooth the movement is. That's amazing! And we can use all of our positioning. For example, Rosenberg as the golden standard. It's easier and more comfortable for the patient to hold on and keep their balance during this position, which we cannot find it with our previous tool. And the patient can move easily on the A-pad. And after examination is finished, we can use back down button or reset button. And based on our qualitative data, the movement is enough for the patient. And most of them are not afraid using this tool rather than the previous one. And that's it. Our examination procedure, it's done. Bye!